we're going to go do a little eBay dive into my sales and show you some things that I pick up and just give you an idea of some bread and butter stuff and some stuff that I've found that, local garage sales or Goodwills that, there is some great money that can be made off these items for such little investment and they sell pretty quick. So first item we got here, this sold actually yesterday. These are some women's coat shoes. I bought these for $5 at a garage sale. The lady said that she wore them once, and I mean they weren't even broke in. I sold these for $49.99 plus shipping on top. This was the first item that I sold with the simple export through pirate ship. It went all the way to Australia for $17.99, and the price of the item was $17.99. I bought a lot of Funko. There were 10 different Funko items, and this was one of them. I bought 10 of them for $30, so that's $3 a pop. So I got most of my money back just on this sale alone, which it's going to be great money I'm going to make out of that lot. This is a Steelers authentic Nike jersey. Player Sean Davis, he actually changed his number. I think I paid $5 for this jersey. If he still wore the number, I could have probably easily got $75 for this, or maybe even more. But because he changed his number, I took a little less money, and I got $49 in free shipping on that item. This is an Adidas retro, like the brim changes on it. It's a color changing hat. Snapback. I paid $1 for it. I got $12 plus shipping on top. This is a Under Armour Ping hat, golf hat. I paid it was either $1 or $2. It was the same garage sale as the Nike jersey. I got it in a big lot of stuff, including a group of magazines that I sold to Hip Flip Mama, and I still have some of them also. I got $12 plus shipping on top. I bought two of these Chris Letang bobbleheads for $1 each. One of them sold for $19.99 plus shipping on top, and the other one sold for $17.99 with shipping on top. These are a pair of men's Puma Whirlwind Classics. They were brand new with the box. I paid $10 for these. I got these in a garage sale, yard sale, community sale with Anthony out towards Pittsburgh, and they sold for $40 plus shipping on top. This is a pair of Adidas, just kind of like everyday shoes or even like workout shoes. They sold for $40 plus shipping on top. This is a Matrix Trinity action figure. It's brand new in the box. I paid $2. I got $18.99 and it was free ship. This is an older vintage fan that I got at a estate sale last year. I paid $5 for it and I got $24.99 plus shipping on top. I was just happy to see it go to a new place and to make some room in my place. For everyone who says you can't sell books on eBay, here's one. I bought this for $3 at an RA purchase, and I got $12 with free shipping on that one. Here's a Pokemon, like a button-up dress shirt or casual shirt. I bought it for $5 at a Goodwill, and I sold it for $20 plus shipping on top. Here's a pair of vintage Air Jordan Retro basketball shoes. I paid $5 at a Goodwill, and I got $44.99 with free shipping. This was a Canon Super 8 camera that I got at a garage sale. I paid $7 for it, and I sold it for $99.99 with shipping on top. Here's a like a motorcycle or like a riding jacket and has armor inside of it. I bought this and another jacket, or like, well, I guess it's a vest, together as a lot. I think I paid 15 or $20 for the lot, and this sold for $50 plus shipping on top. I think I could have got a little more money for this, but it was starting to get towards the end of the season, and I was just happy to make my money out of it and make my profit. Here's a vintage, it's called a Winder electric heat motorcycle riding vest. It connects like directly to your bike's power, and it heats your body. So if you're riding on like a fall night, or it starts getting cool or whatever, you can have heat. Like I said, I bought this and the other jacket I just talked about together, and I sold this one for $37.99 plus shipping on top. Here's a lot of vintage Barbies. I Love Lucy dolls. I sold these for I believe it was it was $104.99 with shipping on top. These were basically brand new. I mean, they weren't opened or anything. The boxes were in great condition, and they sold for $104.99 plus shipping on top. Here's a ceiling fan. It was an RA buy that I got at Lowe's for $30. It sat for about 2 months, and then it sold for $104.99 and shipping on top, and it went FedEx all the way out to Washington, which was pretty expensive, but the buyer was extremely happy, and so was I, because I was worried it was going to get returned and have to deal with the shipping, but they were happy and gave me a 5-star review. Here's a lot of more vintage Barbies. I bought a bunch from a lady. I think I paid $5 for each doll, and there was 5 in this lot. I got it was $94.99 plus shipping on top for them, so that was a great buy. And I got this Super Mario's. It was brand new, sealed in the box for $7 at a garage sale, and I got $47.49 free shipping on that. So I just wanted to show you guys some of my eBay sales. I'm going to start doing this probably once or twice a month, just depending on how many sales I get. I don't want to do like a super long video on these, but this way you guys can see my good buys and bad buys, and I can be a little more show a lot more of my business and things I buy, and hopefully show you guys some things that you can make some money on, or things you might want to stay away from. So thanks for tuning in. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can get all my new videos and different content that I come up with. So thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate your support, and we'll see you later.
All this money to be made, wanna be paid, or could I not? All this money to be made, wanna be paid, or could I stop? All this money to be made, wanna be paid, or could I watch? All this money to be made, I'm making plays, I'm on the clock. Yeah.